Okay, so here we are, guys, the Monogram 1999 Mustang SVT Cobra. This one is done in Createx Pearl Blue. The stripes are painted on, and they are done in Anita's metallic white craft paint. This is almost 100% box stock, except for the wheels. The wheels and tires are 3D printed wheels and tires I got from Jay's Rosin Wheels on eBay. Really, really nice wheels, man. I just painted them with Styrorez black primer, the wheels and tires. Did them separately. Then I coated them with some matte clear for the tires, and I brushed on satin clear for the sidewalls so it wasn't too bright, too shiny. The actual wheels, that was for the tires. The actual wheels was, once again, Styrorez primer. And I made a disc template to cover up the spokes there. And I airbrushed on Molotow chrome for the rim, for the outside rim part. And then I just took a toothpick, dipped in Molotow chrome, and picked out the lug nuts. I let that dry for about a day, day and a half, and then I dipped it in some pledge. I dipped them in some pledge. And after that dried for a day, I then brush painted some Createx high gloss clear on them. I probably could have put another coat or two on there to really make them shiny, but I like the way it looks. You can see I did valve stems on the wheels and tires too, on the wheels. I have a tutorial on how I did that, just simple, easy. Drill a hole into the rim and put some wire, put a wire through there, copper wire through there, and paint it chrome. To me, a clear red and clear orange, and again, the Anita's metallic white for the tail lights, turn signal indicators, and the reverse lights, the backup lights. Really like how this one turned out. Okay, so we'll take a look underneath here. I did some detail painting on it. To me, a titanium gold for the catalytic converters, and just Green Stuff World chrome for the exhaust, and a little bit of Molotow chrome for the tailpipes. And I took a drill bit and hollowed them out. Got a couple of millimeters in there to show them look hollowed out. And we'll take a look at the engine compartment. This is 100% as kitted there, guys. Just some detail painting. Again, Green Stuff World chrome on the intake plenum and all that. However you spray it is whether it looks chrome or stainless or whatever. And all detail painting and some decals for the oil filler cap and the washer fluid reservoir. Two different intake plenums in this kit to do as you will. Separate windshield wipers. We'll move around to the side. You see a side view of everything. And take a look at the interior. There's a sewing pin for shifter, sewing pin head for the shifter. I used Apple Barrel Country Gray for the interior. Folk Art Black for the dashboard. Apple Barrel Pewter Gray for the seat inserts. You can't see them too well, but yeah, there you go. The seat inserts. And we'll spin it around. You see the package tray. Speaker shelf. And the other side. You see the gauges. Zoom in a little bit. Those are decals. I'll get a shot of the back seat. For the headliner, you can't really see it. I'll pick it up here. The headliner and the carpet, I used apple barrel dark granite. This was a really nice kit. This is the second one I did. The other one I did in red and black. Really enjoyed that one too. 107 pieces on this one. It's mostly a dedicated build. You get a couple extra springs and intake, air intake plenum for like a backdated version of this or something, but pretty much no extra parts outside of that. Really, really, really nice kit to build. Like I said, this is my second one. Really enjoyed both of them. I highly recommend this, even if you don't like Mustangs or the newer cars. This is still a really, really nice kit to do, and I got it for Ollie's for $12.99, so you really can't beat that. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Tune in for more content, and I'll catch you next time here at Stumpy Grump Scale Speed Shop.